Looking for the best video doorbell in 2025? Whether you want sharp video, smart motion alerts, or a subscription-free option, we've got you covered. In this video, we're comparing three top contenders: the Ring Battery Doorbell Plus, the Blink Video Doorbell, and the TP-Link Tapo D210. Ring Battery Doorbell Plus. First up, the heavyweight, Ring Battery Doorbell Plus. Ring has long been a leader in smart home security, and the 2024 release of their battery-powered model takes things up a notch. Pros: the standout feature is the head-to-toe video, which means you can see packages on the ground, not just faces. It records in HD+, offering crisp detail both day and night. You get two-way talk, real-time notifications, and customizable motion zones. It integrates smoothly with Alexa, and the Ring app is user-friendly and reliable. Power and installation. It's battery-powered, rechargeable via USB-C. No need for wiring, making it renter-friendly. Subscription. You'll need a Ring Protect plan, starting around $349 a month, to access full features like video history, cloud storage, and advanced alerts. Without it, live view and notifications still work, but recordings won't save. Cons: it's more expensive than competitors, typically around $129. And yes, many features are locked behind a paywall. Also, it doesn't support local storage, so cloud subscription is the only option. Verdict: this is the best premium choice. Great for households who want polished features, clean video, and don't mind a monthly fee. Next up, the Blink Video Doorbell, Amazon's budget-friendly alternative to Ring. Pros: it records in 1080p HD, which is solid at this price point. Battery life is impressive, up to 2 years on 2 AA lithium batteries. You get two-way audio, motion alerts, and Alexa integration. It supports both wired and battery power, giving you flexibility. Storage: here's where Blink shines. You can skip the subscription by pairing it with a sync module too, enabling local storage via USB stick, or go with the Blink subscription plan to store videos in the cloud. Cons: video quality isn't as sharp or wide as Ring's. The build feels a bit basic compared to pricier models. Without a sync module, there's no local storage and live view can feel delayed. Price: just $28.99. That's about a fifth of the price of the Ring model. Verdict: if you're looking for an affordable no-frills option, Blink is hard to beat. It covers all the basics: motion alerts, video, talk, without breaking the bank. Now for a less mainstream but highly capable competitor: the TP-Link Tapo D210. Pros: shoots in 2K QHD, noticeably sharper than both Ring and Blink. Offers color night vision, AI-powered person detection, and activity zones. It comes with local microSD card storage support, up to 512 GB, so you don't have to pay monthly. Supports two-way audio and smart alerts. Battery life isn't as long as Blink, but the unit is rechargeable and can go months between charges depending on usage. Cons: no Alexa or Google Home integration yet in some regions. TP-Link's Tapo app is improving, but not as polished as Ring's. Installation instructions can be a bit technical for some users. Around $44.99, this sits comfortably between Blink and Ring. Verdict: if video quality and no subscription are your top priorities, Tapo is an excellent middle ground option. So, what's the right choice for you? Go with Ring if you want the most polished experience, the best smart home integration, and don't mind paying for the best. Choose Blink if you're on a budget and want a solid, reliable doorbell with flexible storage options. And pick TP-Link Tapo D210 if you want crystal clear video and no subscriptions, and don't mind setting things up yourself. No matter what you choose, all three of these doorbells bring great features to the table. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you found this guide helpful. Links to all three products are in the description.